So I just received it and I took it out the package. So this is what I got, the FOXWELL. Looks fine. Except for the cable. Came to me damaged. Don't know what happened there. Probably manufacturer or just someone was clumsy. But, you know, it's fine. I could just bend that back out, make it fit. So it does come with the USB, comes with instructions, even a whole guidebook as well. How this came in packaged was really well, actually. Just the cable was the only problem. I don't know what happened there, but it's fine. And it does work. I went ahead and connected it. I don't know if it needs an update or these are already updated before going into package. I'm not very sure. I am going to check it out in a bit. I will be testing it on my vehicle as well to run diagnostic and see what else this thing can do, you know. But yeah, that's my review on this. I like this box though. This is nice how it came in.
Great item. Come in a nice little case. Delivered on time.